Hello students, how are you? Today we will start a new chapter with some new topics for class 12th. And this chapter is very interesting chapter. The chapter number 3 is matrices and topics are matrix, order of a matrix, types of matrix, operation on matrices, transpose of a matrix, symmetric and skew symmetric matrix, elementary operation of a matrix and invertible matrix. So the first topic is matrix. What is the matrix? A matrix is a rectangular arrangement of numbers or functions in rows and columns. So if we arrange some numbers into rows and columns, so we will get a matrix. For example, this type of matrix. And a matrix is written inside the bracket, such type of bracket. And the numbers or functions used in the matrix are called elements of the matrix. For example, 2, 3, 4 and 5. They are the elements and they are written inside the bracket. So this is the matrix. Next, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. These are the elements and they written inside the bracket. So this is the matrix. And next one, A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I. These are the elements and this is the matrix. And the matrix is always denoted by the capital letter. Capital letter A, capital B, capital C, capital D, etc. But always denoted by capital letters. And these small letters denotes the elements of the matrix. Here we will see that some are horizontal lines. These lines, horizontal lines, these lines, horizontal lines. And some are vertical lines. So in the matrix, horizontal lines are called rows and vertical lines, these vertical lines are called columns in the matrix. The next topic is matrices. Matrices, the chapter name is matrices, but first topic is matrix. So matrices is the plural of matrix. Next topic is order of a matrix. A matrix having m rows and n columns is called the matrix of order m cross n. Read as m by n. This is m by n. Read as m by n, where m is the number of rows and n is the number of columns. For example, we have a matrix. In this matrix, A, B, C, D, these are the elements. And this m by n, this is the order of this matrix. For example, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. In the matrix, these are the elements. And in this matrix, this is first row. And this one is second row. So total 2 rows. And in this matrix, this one is one column, this is second column, and this is third column. This is C1, this is C2, and this is C3. So how many rows and how many columns? There are 1 and 2 rows and 1, 2, 3 columns. So the order is 2 by 3. Next. Here this is first row R1, this is second row R2 and this one is third row R3. There are 3 rows and how many columns? This one is first column, this one is second column. So how many rows and how many columns? There are 3 rows and 2 columns. So the order is 3 by 2. This is the order of this matrix. And in this matrix, how many rows? This is first row, this one is second row, this one is third row. So there are 3 rows, and so 3 by, and this one is first column, this one is second column, and this one is third column. So total 3 columns, and the order is 3 by 3 because the order is denoted by m cross n. M denotes the number of row and n denotes the number of column. So the order is 3 by 3. And in this matrix, sin theta, cos theta, tan theta, cot theta, these are the trigonometric functions, and they written inside the bracket. So this is the matrix, because the matrix is a rectangular arrangement of numbers or functions in rows and column. So sin theta, cos theta, tan theta, cot theta, this is the matrix. So there are 1 row and 2 rows. There are total 2 rows, and how many columns? 1 column and 2 column. So the order is 2 by 2. And in this matrix, how many rows? This is first row, this one is second row, this one is third row, and this one is fourth row. So there are total 4 rows. So the order is 4 by. Next, first column, this one is second column, this one is third column, and this one is fourth column. So total column is 4. So the order is 4. 4 by 4. Because the order is denoted by m cross n, and m denotes the number of rows. This one is number of rows into number of columns. So m by n. So the order is 4 cross 4. And the next topic is types of matrices. So there are different types of matrices. Number 1, row matrix. A matrix having one row, only one row, means single row, is called the row matrix. For example, A, B, C. There are 3 elements in a single row. So this is the matrix. Which type of matrix? Row matrix, because this have single row. One more example, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So there are 5 elements, but they written in a single row. So this is called row matrix. And order of this matrix, there is only one row and 1, 2, 3 columns. So the order is 1 cross 3. And in this matrix, there is only one row. So one row, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 columns. So the order is 1 is by 5. Next topic is column matrix. A matrix having one column is called column matrix. Means a matrix having only one column. For example, A, B, C, D. This matrix have only one column, comma, 1, 2, 3, 4, and this one matrix have only one column. So this is a column matrix. Next, 1, 2, and this one also have only one column. And we will check the order of this matrix. There are 1, 2, 3, 4 rows and only one column. So the order is 4 is by 1. In this matrix, 1, 2, 3, 4 rows and one column, only one column. So this is a column matrix. And in this matrix, there are 1 and 2 rows and only one column. So the order is 2 by 1. And the next type is square matrix. Square, you know very well about the square. In square, length and breadth means all sides are equal. Length and breadth also equal. So in the square matrix, a square matrix in which number of rows are equal to the number of columns is called square matrix. For example, 1, 2, 3, 4. In this matrix, how many rows and how many columns? There are 2 rows and 2 columns. So the order is 2 by 2. Next, A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I. Here, how many rows and how many columns? You will see that there are 1, 2, 3. 3 rows and 1, 2, 3. 3 columns. So the order is 3 by 3. Number of rows and number of columns means number of rows and number of columns. Row and column both are equal. So this is a square matrix. Next type is zero matrix and the other name is null matrix. Zero matrix means zero, all are zero. A matrix having all the elements are zero is called zero matrix. For example, 0, 0, 0, 0. This is a zero matrix of order 2 by 2. And next, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0. This is also a matrix, but all the elements are 0. So this matrix is a zero matrix. And the order of this matrix, how many rows? 1 and 2. 2 rows, 1, 2, 3. There are 3 columns. So the order is 2 by 3. Next type is diagonal matrix. Diagonal, you know always about the diagonal. Suppose we have a square and this one is a diagonal. So the diagonal matrix, a square matrix is called a diagonal matrix if its non-diagonal elements are 0. Means all non-diagonal elements. For example, 2, 4. This is a square matrix of order 2 cross 2. But diagonal elements may be 0, nothing, anything. But all the other elements are 0. And next, 2, 3, 4. There is a diagonal and other diagonal elements means non-diagonal elements all are 0. Next is scalar matrix. A diagonal matrix, we have studied here, a square matrix is called diagonal matrix if its non-diagonal elements are 0. Means non-diagonal, yani upper or lower elements are 0. And the scalar matrix is a diagonal matrix in which all diagonal elements are equal and other elements are 0. Means diagonal matrix को ही स्केलर मैट्रिक्स कहेंगे. बट एक कंडीशन है कि जो डायगोनल एलिमेंट्स हैं वो सब क्या होने चाहिए? सेम होने चाहिए, यानी ऑल डायगोनल एलिमेंट्स आर इक्वल. फॉर एग्जांपल 2, 2 एंड अदर एलिमेंट्स आर 0. A and other elements are 0. One more example. 1, 3, 4, 4, 4. A diagonal elements are equal but other elements are 0. So this is a scalar matrix. डायगोनल मैट्रिक्स, डायगोनल में एक डायगोनल एलिमेंट्स होंगे बट अदर एलिमेंट्स 0. सेम एज स्केलर मैट्रिक्स. जो डायगोनल मैट्रिक्स है उसमें डायगोनल सेम होना चाहिए, डायगोनल, बट अदर एलिमेंट्स विल बी 0. एंड यूनिट मैट्रिक्स सेम एज स्केलर मैट्रिक्स. अ डायगोनल मैट्रिक्स इन विच ऑल डायगोनल एलिमेंट्स आर इक्वल टू 1. और स्केलर मैट्रिक्स में अ डायगोनल मैट्रिक्स इन विच ऑल डायगोनल एलिमेंट्स आर इक्वल, बट इन यूनिट मैट्रिक्स all diagonal elements are equal to 1 and all other elements are 0 is called unit matrix. For example, 1 1 0 0 means diagonal elements are equal to 1 and other elements are 0. Next, 1 0 0 0 1 0 0 0 1. Here diagonal elements are equal, mean equal to 1 and other elements are 0. Next, 1 0 0 0 0 1 0 0 0 0 1 0 and in the last 0 0 0 1. Diagonal elements are equal to 1 and other elements are 0. So this is a unit matrix or identity matrix, because the identity matrix are diagonal matrix in which all diagonal elements are equal to 1 and other elements are 0. Here we will see that all diagonal elements are 1 and other elements are 0, and the identity matrix or unit matrix denoted by capital I, because it is identity matrix.